going out to episode 1. Gunplay tattoo sessions and shit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let y'all see the magic behind the scenes. This is episode 1. We're just gonna start off with a little a Revolver on my Adam's apple. You know what I mean? Cause I spit killer rhymes.
It ain't my fault, look how you made me. On this asphalt, shit get crazy. Everybody here die young. Keep my hand on the motherfucking iron. Straight up menace, out in these streets. That's why heaven looks so out of reach. You know what I'm talking about. Straight up menace. You know what I'm talking about. Straight up menace. Straight up menace, out in these streets. That's why heaven looks so out of reach. You know what I'm talking about. Straight up menace. You know what I'm talking about. Straight up menace. Track got ups, jumping till it need a crutch. Got birds flying around like Mr. 23 himself. You wanna eat, I got the food. Nigga, come and see the chef. We ain't playing by the rules. Put the toolie on the rep. Score the foul line, nigga, being high by the eye now. When I get the gookin', only 3 numbers to dial now. Skunk screaming loud, trying to speak a whole sound now.
I'm tired. I just landed from somewhere, I don't even remember. But I'm tired as hell. And I'm gonna go fuck my dime. And I just listen to Meet Me a whole mixtape is dope. Dope, shout out my dog.
I'm gonna get it from the muscle when they ask my motivation. I say
like it.
Cause when you're dead, the haters is something.
I'm AAA, arrogant ass attitude. Holly down south, right on our last avenue. This the dead end, gotta kill it, fit in. So Poppy I can move it, if he can bring the shit in. LeBron's 501's white.